Welcome to the channel. I'm Darren Farwell of the Farwell Group with Scotia Wealth Management, and this series was created to help you find financial freedom. In each video, we discuss topics relevant to you and your life. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell below to receive notifications of new videos. Today we'll discuss how to use an RRSP for a down payment for your first home. It's called the Home Buyers Plan. We'll discuss how it works, a few key considerations, and why it's a great option for first-time home buyers. And then we'll do a few Q&As. So let's talk about the Home Buyers Plan. Money to help you fund the down payment for your first home. A condo, a house, a townhouse, you know you've got to start with a down payment. And the down payment can be hundreds of thousands of dollars these days. So how does a young couple, how does a young adult get started buying a home when you need so much money for your down payment? Well, there's a nice answer, the Home Buyers Plan. You can access $35,000 from your own RRSP funds to help make that down payment. $35,000 is the most you can take, but as a couple, of course, you can take $70,000. You do have to pay your home buyer's payment back. You'll have 15 years. You can pay it all off sooner if you'd like. The minimum payment, of course, is 1/15 each year. The main point is you can use the RRSP money that you've accumulated to help make the down payment for your first home. The purpose of the Home Buyers Plan is to help you buy a single family dwelling. Now, single family dwelling includes lots of different, a unit of a duplex, a unit of a triplex, a condominium, a single family dwelling. Even, by the way, including a mobile home, but it has to be in Canada. So one of the advantages of paying back your home buyers, putting it back into your RRSP, is that you now have more money compounding tax-free for until retirement. So there is a definite advantage. You want to maximize your tax refunds, you'll do that first. But if you have savings over and above the amount you need to maximize your RRSP, then you would want to consider repaying some of that home buyers sooner so you have more money in that tax-free growth bucket. Anytime you're making a home buyer's repayment, that's just going to count towards the amount outstanding that you have on that home buyer's loan. You can pay more than the 1/15 in any year, but it will not count as an RRSP deduction for purposes of getting a tax refund. For more information on how to use RRSPs to purchase your first home, be sure to check out the resources we've included below. Finding financial freedom doesn't have to be a scary or overwhelming goal. In fact, it may be closer to reality than you ever imagined. Tune in next time as we share more tips and concepts. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below for notifications for future episodes. If you'd like to get in touch, please don't be afraid to email us at the address below in the description. Bye for now.